In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate random text in Microsoft Word. This feature can be very useful for creating placeholder text when designing documents, testing layouts, or demonstrating formatting in reports and presentations. Microsoft Word offers a simple built-in command that allows you to quickly insert paragraphs of random text without the need for any additional software or online tools. To start, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the random text to appear. This could be at the beginning of the document, in a new section, or anywhere you are experimenting with layout or design. Next, type the formula =rand, and then press Enter. This command automatically generates a set of default paragraphs containing standard English text. By default, Word will insert 3 paragraphs with 5 sentences each, but you can customize this to your needs. If you want more control over the number of paragraphs and sentences, you can modify the formula. For example, typing =rand open parenthesis 5,8 close parenthesis and pressing Enter will generate 5 paragraphs, each containing 8 sentences. This is especially useful when you need a specific amount of placeholder content to test spacing, alignment, or page layout. Additionally, Word also provides alternative functions for generating different types of sample text. Typing =lorem and pressing Enter will produce traditional lorem ipsum text, which is commonly used as a placeholder in publishing and design projects. Similar to the =rand open parenthesis close parenthesis function, you can customize it by specifying the number of paragraphs and sentences, like =lorem open parenthesis 4,6 close parenthesis. This gives you flexibility to simulate realistic text without distraction from actual content. Another option is =rand.oldparens, which generates an older version of Word's sample text. This can be useful if you are working with legacy documents or prefer a different style of filler text. Again, you can specify the number of paragraphs and sentences according to your requirements. Generating random text in Word is a quick and efficient way to test formatting, create mock-ups, or experiment with document designs. These built-in functions save time and provide a convenient way to focus on structure rather than content. By mastering these commands, you can easily insert sample text whenever it's needed, improving your workflow and document preparation process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.